Ngithemba ukuthi uyayizwela ke lapha ekhaya inkulumo ephuma kumNce umntaka Mtungwa umfoka Khumalo sihleli naye ke la istudio kaMkhize istudio ke esiyisona manje esibased kakhulu ekutheni sikhulume lezi inkulumo ezinohlonze kanje ngamanye amazwi ke ngithi ke siyacela ukuthi bonke abantu abalalele le show benze ngako konke okusemandleni ukuthi bayayilalelisisa because namhlanje sifuna lenkulumo noma lo myalezo udlule ngempela ufinyelele kwi-youth yaseDasenoki abantu abashwa njengoba namhlanje ngihleli nosihlalo we-Youth League kwi-ANC Youth League umNce umntaka Khumalo sisaqhubeka nje mfowethu mhlambe entsheni le nithini ngabantu abasha abawuvanzi nenifisa bajoyine umzabalazo lo we ANC Youth League nithini kubona mhlambe inselelo nje ongayiphonsa kubona abawuvanzi nje nabantu abasebe give upile abathi thina sibona indaba yomzabalazo ukuthi senzelani mhlambe yini ongayibuyisa kubona banikeze ithemba lento ephathekayo ukuthi makukhulunywa ngomzabalazo kukhulunywa ngani abantu abasha
ngiyabonga kakhulu baba Mbonambi ngalowo mbuzo perhaps umuntu akaqale la we are in a political space okusho ukuthi we must analyze izinto from time to time ezenzeka within our communities and society generally njengamanje baba Mbonambi mhlawumbe namabukeli bonke kunento mhlawumbe engathi mangifuna igama elikahle ngithi mhlawumbe ngolwimi lwesingisi i-depoliticization of a society as a South Africa particularly within the youth strata there is generally into yokuthi ipolitiki within i community yethu ne society at large South Africa yenze noma ngizothi i generation ekhona does not appreciate into yepolitiki because they have this question ukuthi isiza ngani because what they are viewing in our communities ukuthi engazi ukuthi isiza abantu ababodwa now that's the challenge and i-depoliticization of i-society yethu ila khona abantu abasha bengasayi involve bengasayi organize around ama issues wabo fighting from different corners umuntu uzenzela into yakhe lapha nalapha ya uzama ukuyitabalasela ngendlela yakhe because the political space does not noma bayibona inga provide ama solutions enkingeni zabo now we have contributed we must take you see we must make introspection and introspection engiyenzayo we are to blame for that because we are in a political space we are leading young people but from time to time we do not have engagements asibabiza abantu abasha ukuthi beze bezokhuluma ngama issues abhekene nabo. Those who are within the political space bafice i-political space is contaminated. We are to blame for that, as I've said. No lectures, no classes to educate one another. And that has been catastrophic because it has changed the character of the ANC emphakathini yethu from being a leader of society to being perceived as a job recruitment agency.
Yes.
Ngiyalapha ngoba kufanele ngithole umsebenzi othile. That is what has made the ground fertile. Ukuthi some of our leaders when they go around not here endaweni yethu yangakithi kuphela all over this is a phenomenon eyaziwayo that they threaten ngento yemsebenzi because but if ungangenzi ngiba in power uma sengifika in power akukho opportunity ozoyithola because you opposed ukuthi nginyuke ngibe in power. And I think generally that has been the decay of politics in general within abantu abasha because they are being recruited to support elders and senior comrades within our movement. But in fact, what is happening is that even those senior leaders do not have the best interest of abantu abasha at heart. Because they dwell much on into yokuthi abantu bazoba threatenisha ngento yemsebenzi. And I think it's not a phenomenon it doesn't it's a phenomenon that characterizes the contamination of the whole political space and the whole body of politics of ilokhuzana ANC, the mass democratic movement at large. So that's where we find ourselves in.
Yo.
Now, umbuzo uma uthi, what do you say to young people having blamed yourself? Because we have blamed ourselves as a movement now in this analysis that I'm making. Now, uthinike kubantu abasha. We say that to abantu abasha because siyayazi potentially abantu abasha, they are organizing themselves from different corners, khona abasinayo, khona abantu abathile lanana. I think into esingayisho ukuthi we must now try to work closely.
Yo.
We pushed for that initiative ekade ngixoxela ngayo yabantu abasha abayiorganize ngama-talent based kakhulu kwentweni zamaciko. It doesn't look internal. We took that initiative very serious because we wanted to connect nontanga yethu sibabone ukuthi benzani bese siyabona ukuthi with our political activism yini esingayenza ukuthi mhlambe sibazame nabo ukuthi bathuthuke from what they are doing amalokhuzana ama-talent abo. But I think we need a conversation, a very broader conversation of which we are thinking to do njenge-ANC Youth League. In fact, Babu Mbonambi, we had a very good year plan last year esasiyidwebe prior ukufika kuka-COVID. Then COVID wenzeka-ke, we had career guidance programs esasifuna ukuyenza. We had a youth conversation day esasifuna ukuyenza somewhere around September 10, which is the birthday of the ANC Youth League. A conversation la kuzozabantu abasha nje without even having a membership ANC Youth League to tell us that guys ni in power nisondelene nabantu aba in power in fact within ilokhuzana ANC emphakathini. Zenzeka nini lezi zinto? We want these things, we want these things, sikuthola kuphi lokhu kanjalo njalo. And ezinye izinto babona not ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi azikho. kwesinye isikhathi is the issue of communication, and I think we must have that conversation njenge BEC, because we do sit with BEC ANC. Issue of communication, we have now social media. I think we should explore that so that now with social media sizoyifaka izinto in our pages, mhlawumbe page le branch yethu, mhlawumbe elendawo yangakithi platform la so poster khona whatever information that is there, so that young people can try and pursue lawo ma opportunities asuke khona ngaleso sikhathi, because I think sometimes the failure of communication between the leader of society and society itself is a very problematic one. Yenza ukuthi sibe nama challenges, because sithi masimphendula umuntu hayibo ikhona nje into ethile, hambisa ama forms kamasipala, hayibo kuyagijima, hambisa ama forms aba masipala khona uzogijima njalo njalo, zonke lezo zinto uthola ukuthi abantu abasha bebengekho aware. So that is an issue, but all in all esingakusho kubantu abasha ukuthi ake sizameni sizozama nathi njengo ANC Youth League ukuthi sivule iplatform la abantu abasha bengeza khona sizoxoxa. We know ukuthi abantu abasha they are now impatient because of ama sufferings ababhekene nawo emphakathini, unemployment, izinto ekanjalo eziningi ababhekene nazo emphakathini esihlala kuyona. So we will avail a platform when COVID usuthe ukuzivulela, we will allow different organizations akhona emphakathini abantu abasha bayi-organizer in different ways, whether abantu bomusic, whether abantu bama-boxing, abamaciko njalo njalo, aba-actayo, even those who are in business, because that's another point that I must make, Babu Mbonambi, in terms of a business. Young people have into yama business ideas. They do have. But I think information in terms of how do you apply for funding and so forth, and this is another failure from our part, njengabantu aba elected to lead abantu abasha emphakathini under the banner of the ANC, of the ANC and the ANC Youth League. To avail this information, njoba ade ngikhuluma ngento ye communication, because that's another critical issue. There are business ideas on the ground. Ikhona izinto abantu abasha bafuna ukuthi bazenze, but the issue of ama resources, capital, ukuthi baqala ama business, they don't have nothing ukuthi bangayisa ibank libanika amalokhuza nama loan. But there are agencies like the NYDA and other agencies akhona. It's just that information has not been given to abantu abasha ngendlela ekufanele ukuthi bayithole ngawo, and I think it's a discussion that we must have njenge ANC Youth League and try to move entweni ukuthi si address leyo challenge, ukuthi senza kanjani ukuthi information at least abantu abasha bayithole uma kunento yelokhuzana. And I think as I've alluded earlier, leyanto yokucabanga ukuthi office le council uma selungisiwe sithola abantu abangasikhokelela into ye-internet, sakhe notice board outside there, sizama ukusebenzisana nezinye inhlaka libraries njalo njalo to paste information. I think that on our part as leaders of the ANC Youth League we must discuss. We dwell much on internal politics elokhuzana ye-ANC, of which I think sometimes ibuye ngasilekelele kakhulu because it divides us njengabantu abasha, and we should guard against that, ukuthi si divide abantu abadala in terms of their own preferences and not offering anything concrete abazolekelela ngayo abantu abasha. In fact,
yes,
I think we must intensify njengabantu abasha into ye generational mix, where senior comrades are leading. We must be leading with them so that they must give us guidance and they must offer experience to us ukuthi basiguide ukuthi we must inherit lo mbutho, si inherit umbutho esesu understand ngendlela efanele ukuthi umbutho uqhutshwe ngakhona. And I think the failure of these senior comrades is that power by centralize ukuthi ihlale kubona bodwa because they don't want to be questioned ngezinto ezenzakalayo within ilokhuzana. The issue of accountability abantu abadala they don't want that and that is a bad thing. It doesn't assist in terms of a progress because we know that inherently a relationship between the ANC and the ANC Youth League is inherently one where we cooperate and work together in the interest of moving in a progressive direction. But of course, there will be challenges in that relationship where we will differ with senior comrades and the ANC itself. We will differ because our generations were to veil our fun. So inherently, if you look back at the history of the ANC and the ANC Youth League, the 1944 generation which formed the ANC Youth League, in fact, in 1998 and in 1948, engaged on a program yokuthi babe catalyst ekuthenini istruggle so pursue kanjani ukuya phambili. Whereas abantu abadala of the late 30s and the early 40s, the ANC of that time believed in petitioning, writing letters to the Queen, pleading for equality and fairness in the country. And the ANC Youth League of Anton Lembede, AP Mda, Robert Sobukwe, Nelson Mandela, Oliver Tambo, and the likes, Mxolisi Majombozi, njalo njalo. It is that ANC that expedited the path of our revolution. It expedited our revolution to say, I think we should engage in more forceful ways of making sure that we gain our liberty. Now, vele ngeke sihlezi sivumelana nabantu abadala. That's inherently given. The formation of the ANC Youth League, the relationship of the ANC Youth League and the ANC itself is one where we cooperate in the interest of moving forward together. But of course, there will be contradictions and we will contradict one another in terms of how we pursue and how the struggle must be pursued. Wow. So we want to say to abantu abadala that they must give us opportunity to engage them. Sizobona sofikisa naphi. In the ANC, we glorify and we appreciate into yama discussions, healthy discussions, robust discussions, so that sizokwazi ukuthi sitshelana amaqiniso where we feel ukuthi kufanele kwenzeke njalo. So ilezo zinto engicabanga ukuthi ziyobuyisa nethemba kubantu abasha. Senior people, senior comrades working with young comrades moving forward together. Yes, ngeke sivumelane somewhere. Sizoyifuna ezinye indawo where abantu abadala have claimed entitlement. Sizofuna ukuba ama secretaries ama branch ANC. Sizofuna ukulead the ANC as chairperson. They have led the ANC and they must make space and educate us how to lead the African National Congress. That's how we should be moving forward. But I think into yabantu abashizo addresseka when everyone comes to the table and plays a part. Senior people, young people, having a conversation to move forward together.
Hayi umuntu uyajuluka manje la studio. Yazi lensizwa amagama wakhulumayo. Sengikhabule ngendlela ungakazi uyibona. Uyabona ke namhlanje ukuthi siyafunda ukuthi lento yokuqhakambisa ukuthi umdala emzabalazweni mhlasimbe kuyokufuneka ukuthi ubuye ubheke ukuthi entsheni lesilandela ngemuva iyouth kunabantu abamkantshubovu abantu namhlanje abazivulela amanye amapage esingawazi thina singaphambili ngamanye amazwi mhlambe sesiyabona ke ukuthi ngempela siyadingana sonke uANC kanye neYouth League. Mhlambe lento yokuthi umfowethu sebekile umfoka Khumalo umbulazi ukuthi lento yokuthi bayabadinga abaholi abadala baku-ANC ukuthi ababahlangabeze phela ababamukele mabeqhamuka nembono ephusile njenganale ayikhulumayo. Mhlambe lokho kuyosisiza because mhlambe siyabona kulamalanga ukuthi sinenkinga enkulu manje ukuthi asivumelani ey'ntweni ey'ningi esithi siyazenza ezisumbutho. Uyakhuluma ngoLembede, wakhuluma Oliver Tambo njalo ukuthi kahle kahle i-movement ababeyifuna yokuthi mhlambe iSouth Africa yonke izibone isemathubeni angcono kunesikhathi sobandlululo. Ngamanye amazwi mhlambe ke kuyosisiza ukuthi